If you're experiencing high ping while playing GTA 5, it can significantly affect your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce your ping and improve your connection. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Use an online speed test to check your current internet speed. Make sure your download and output speeds meet the requirements for online gaming. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Connect your gaming device directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. This can provide a more stable and faster connection compared to Wi-Fi. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching GTA 5, close any unnecessary applications or downloads running in the background. This will free up bandwidth and improve your connection. Step 4. Change server region. In the game settings, try changing your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. This can help reduce latency and improve your ping. Step 5. Optimize your router settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service QoS to prioritize gaming traffic. Additionally, ensure your router firmware is up to date for optimal performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing GTA 5. Enjoy your gaming experience.